I'm watching a series. Ooh, Jesus. Okay. So season 2 got The Last of Us is out. I'm currently on episode 3 or episode 4. My God. Dope. 10 out of 10. And then I think Borderlands or Heartlands now. I just forgot the name because Gangs of London. Same situation, Gangs of London now. Concurrently, episode 5, is on episode 4. Yeah, so I'm watching those 2 at the moment. Oh, in fact, Extracted. It's survival, don't. It's like a game show, man. The family, bukela pha imani idlala games esithile xa iwinile ikunika supply wena usehlathini it's like survive or something like that. So zezo nto zi3 enye I forgot these networks. I forgot Zoe. HBO The Last of Us on HBO. Then Amazon Prime unantsika le enye Heartlands okanye Borderlands now kodwa nguHenry man kumjita okhona. Then Glaze Tatu it's just a network that I'm not familiar. No, I'm extracted and koshwa ngaye because ngithe xa ndimchekisha and something like those. Says always njalo.
Now uyazazi.
Yeah. Then siphumile kwinto that I'm watching. A movie engisayibukela ngoku nje bendi-exporta ku-Accountant 2.
Ooh, it's out.
Yeah, Accountant 2. And then also another one enayo uHavoc.
Yes, we are watching that tonight.
Yeah, I'm gonna be watching. Yeah, and then that I'm also gonna watch Amateurs. Umthithubulawela umfazi wakhe.
I watched that. Yes, I watched it. He works for.
I say cinema. Iqale iphume nge-17 kwi-theaters.
Besiyibukela cinema. Nathi amateur.
Yeah. So zezo
you should actually watch it because the guy who acted is incredibly talented. The man who Need for Speed who acted as Freddie Mercury as well.
Lo hacker lo mthithi uyi-hacker man don't esasibonisa picture yakhe but
yeah, and he's fit for those roles. But I think something that you should watch, Into the Badlands. I don't know if you've ever watched it.
Oh yeah, it's not my thing. Yeah. Oh, House of David. House of David as well. Bensandogqiba yena. Ndandifika ndombukele apha kusawungena inkonzo. So zezo zi3 and then the music is Kanye West to drop it.